Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. This is
Gabi
and this is
Papa.
Papa. Now we are watching the Filipino food mukbang. Now here is the food. Watch natin kabayan, ha? Hmm. What is this, Gabi?
Hey!
Why? Yummy?
Yeah,
Yummy?
yeah.
Oh, you.
This is disgusting.
Disgusting. What's
This
that?
onion.
No, there's eating the duck. This one, you see this? Very fast eating, Gabi. You like that? This one, what is this one? What you call this one? The yellow egg.
I don't know.
That is quack quack.
Quick, quick,
This one, what is this one?
quick, quick,
No, this.
quick,
We
quick.
eat this one. This, you know?
It's an egg.
No, this.
It's a rat.
Saras. Ayan na. Intro lang pa lang yun, guys. Intro lang. Ayan. Ayan na yan. Ayan na si Kabayan, nagsasalita. Tinuturo niya. Ito raw ay
Lemon.
siomay, kalamansi, balut, meron siyang sausawan. Ayan, may kwek-kwek. Ayan, nagdasal si kuya, nagdasal. Nagdarasal. Ayan, linagyan niya na ng kalamansi. Yeah, this one, look. Look. He will open this, Gabi. Look at inside. This one, you see? You like that? Inside? Look.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, there's a small duck inside. This. Look, he will open. There's a feather.
I want to.
I don't eat that one because there's a feather inside.
Feather.
Yeah, there's a duck inside this.
And why? You don't like
I don't like because the taste is not good.
it?
What can you say about the one that the boy eating, Gabi? What can you say? This one.
It's okay.
It's yummy or not?
Yummy.
Yummy. Hello. Hello. Oh, look. It's the sauce.
It's a sauce.
Yeah, it's the sauce. Look inside. You will open it.
Oh,
Look, you will see the egg.
it's a
Look,
baby. It's cute.
inside?
Yeah.
There's no baby inside.
Where's the duck baby?
There. You look. Inside you?
It's a cute baby duck.
Why are you eating that?
It's okay. He's like it.
You want to eat all? Oh, kabayan, it's so yummy. Lami kaayo, oy. It's so yummy. Allah, inubos niya na. Allah. He will eat all, Gabi. Look.
You're our other kitty.
Yeah. He will eat all, Gabi. Don't put that. Okay. Ang sarap na sarap si Kuya. Napaka-yummy. Napakalasa. Oh. What do you think the taste, Gabi? It's so yummy or not?
Yummy.
Yummy. That's why the boy eating so many. Allah. Okay. Hello. Oh, you watch. What do you think?
Yummy.
How about this one? The shomai. The shomai is yummy. The shomai is yummy or not?
Yummy.
Look the mouth. It's very full. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.